everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with this channel where we get to talk about our experience on YouTube and get to share from the much we know about how to grow on YouTube. Now, do you know that you can actually go live from your YouTube studio desktop, right? The desktop site. Do you know you can go live and actually not show your face? Like you'll be live streaming and actually not be there. You don't have to sit down and do the live stream and still get subscribers and watch ads. I'm sure you don't know that. So this is me in this video. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get this done. It's a very simple method, but it works. It's working for a lot of channels. I have also tried it in my other channel. So I'm going to be showing you a screen record again on how to access and use the YouTube Studio desktop site to go live without showing your face. It's a very simple method. Now, let me not bore you plenty talks. Let's just go straight into the tutorial. All right, so to continue with this tutorial, you're going to head up to your Play Store and you're going to look for the app called Live Now. You search for it, and then you see this one here that has Live Now with this YouTube like logo on it. You go ahead and install it. I already installed mine, right? I already installed mine, so I don't need to install again. This is mine right here on my phone. So when you're done with installing the app, the next thing you're going to do is to go to Chrome app, right? You go to your Chrome browser and you type in YouTube Studio Desktop Dashboard, right? And click on Log In. Ensure that it's in desktop mode, right? Ensure that it's in desktop mode. So you go ahead and click on Log In and allow it to open up. Okay, so we're here. I don't want to use this account to show us this. Let me use a fresh account. In one video I created, this one showing up here, I mentioned there that we can actually go live with 0 subscribers. I think someone said it's not true. So I'll be showing you again in this video that it's possible for you to go live with 0 subscribers. This particular account has no subscriber on it. And we're going to be practicalizing what I just said using this account. All right, so as you can see, 0 subscribers, no activities, and I want to go live. What I'm going to be doing is, but remember the point also that I'm trying to make here is this particular method, you can actually go live without showing your face. You can also go live showing your face, but for this particular tutorial, I'm showing you how you can still go live using an external site, an external app. You can use that to go live without showing your face. Now you click on this icon here, this one. You click on that icon and allow it to open up. Now this is what it's going to show you. The next thing you're going to be doing is you click on later, and then you use the second one, streaming software, right? You click on streaming software. That's the second one. Now when it opens up to this point, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this icon here, the one that says stream, not webcam, the one that says stream. You click on stream, and then you give it some time to still open up again. Let's allow this to load up. Okay, so this is it here now. When you get to this interface, right, let's read what it says. Is this video made for kids? No, it is not made for kids. Ensure you always pick no, it is not made for kids. So you're going to click no, it's not made for kids, and then you're going to save it. It's just showing us what we're supposed to do. Welcome to YouTube live control room. Click on next, click on next. It's just showing us, giving us further instructions on how to use this. Now this place is where when you go live, this is where you can see people who drop chats. This is the top chats, top fans and all that. On your normal YouTube app, when you go live, you have the part down where you can see your live chats and all of that. That's the same thing here. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead, this part here where we have this this stream key, right? The stream key here. That is what I needed to copy. You're going to click on copy, not reset. Just click on copy. Don't do any other thing here. Don't touch any other thing. Just click on copy and then minimize this. Then you go back to your the app that you initially downloaded, Live Now. You click on that. Now, on this app called Live Now, as you can see, you can actually stream on YouTube, you can stream on Facebook, you can stream on Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, RTMP. You can stream on any of these platforms using this particular app. Now, you just click on YouTube and then you need to log in the account that you want to, stream with. So you click on log into YouTube. Allow this to open up. We're here now. As you can see, I've already logged into this account using one of my accounts, but the account I'm showing you this particular is a different one. So I'll click on use another account, and I'm going to enter the email of that account. Okay, so this is it now showing here. This is the account I want to log in on live now. So I'll click on that one. That's one that has virtual Ali life of virtual, and I'll click on continue. Then it's going to bring me here. I have successfully logged into the live app, right? I don't need to create this. So I'm just going to go back. I'm going to now. I'll come back here where I have upcoming stream and stream with stream key, right? So I'm going to click on stream with stream key because remember I already copied a stream key. I already copied that. So I'm going to come here, not on the first part, but this second part. If you notice, there was a stream key there. That one is for the other account. So I've removed it. And I'm going to be pasting this one I just copied now. So this is the stream key, and I'm going to go ahead and click on live. The red button down there, I'll click on that. Now before I go ahead to stream anything, also going to be ensuring that I click on stream camera to ensure that my video is showing on portrait. I've explained before why it is important that your video is on portrait. When it's on portrait, YouTube gets to show it as a short form content to viewers, right? So you have more chances of getting people, join in when it's shown to them as short form content. So ensure that it's on portrait, not on landscape. So when I have this now, I'll go back to video, and then I'll click on next. I'll click on that blue part again. I'll click on next, and then I'll pick a video that I want to stream. You will ensure that the video, like they instructed there, ensure that your video must be under 1 gig and no longer than 60 minutes, right? The video should not be longer than 60 minutes. 60 minutes, that's 1 hour. So you can get a 1 hour video, you can get something that's lesser, but it should not be more than 1 gig in size. So I'll click on that, and I'll just go ahead. Oh, yeah, I've exhausted it. So I can just, now that I've exhausted my free bonus, I'm going to just click on view ad. So back here, so I'm going to click on next, and then I'll look for the video that I want to stream. Let me just pick this one that is 2 minutes 25 seconds. So I'll click on that one. Now this is it. Um this is where you're going to be streaming from. Now before you click on start now, right, ensure that this particular button up here, you turn it on. That is the button that's going to help you to loop this video. When I mean loop the video, that is going to keep playing again and again and again. But when you don't turn that button on, when the video is done playing, when that 2 minutes is done, it's just going to stop. But you have to click on that particular looping symbol there to ensure that the video is now going to be looping. But you can just go ahead and click on start now, and then it's automatically going to be streaming already on your channel. As you can see, they say connection successful. So this is going to stream on that channel. If you want to check it now, let's log into that particular account to see if it is currently streaming. Account is this one, right? Okay, so this is the account here, and like I said, as you can see, it's showing that we are live, right? It's showing that we are live. When I click on it, this is it. This is the live stream showing, right? This is the live stream showing here that we are live, and one person is viewing, which is this person that just came in, which is I. Okay, so this is it. This is how to know that your live stream is working. Now, if you can go back to, you can come back here. Now, this is the only downside to this particular app. Because I clicked out of it, or I went somewhere else, it's just going to stop. It's just going to stop on its own. And that is the reason why I sometimes prefer Restream, because Restream you can close your app and continue doing other things. But for this live now, you have to always just be there. So it's best to use a phone that you're not using at the moment. If it's not your main phone, you can use another phone and can still log into that account. So if you want to stop this live stream, what you need to do is just to click on this button here that has the X sign. Click on that, and then you have successfully ended the live stream. Now, to be sure that you have ended the live stream, you're going to head back to Chrome browser. Right, I'm back here, and this is what is going to be telling you. Your stream will end shortly unless you restart. All right, so I have ended the stream. Right, so you see here it says stream finished. Then it's going to give me this congratulatory message. You just click on next, and dismiss or edit in studio. So I'm just going to remove this particular stream because I don't want it on this channel. I've not said using the channel. I just use it to show us this practical, showing you that you can go live. You can go live with 0 subscribers using your phone, not your desktop, using your phone. So I'm hoping that this has convinced you, and I'm hoping that you can also try it out. What else? And like I already mentioned in that other video, you can click on that link to watch it. I mentioned that you can still show your face. If you don't want to use this streaming app software, whatever, you can still go live showing your face. Just do it the normal way. The normal way you would have done if you're going on your YouTube app. If you're using the YouTube app, just do the same thing here and you'll be able to still live stream. All right. So if you're looking for quick watch hours and getting subscribers very fast, this is one sure way to get this done without so stressing yourself so much, showing your face and all of that. Now, if you want to achieve this, ensure that you live stream for longer hours, at least 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Don't do to 12 hours because when you get to 12 hours, YouTube will not count it for you. So better still, just do 10 hours, 11 hours. And then the good thing is you can always go back to rewatch them. Like, use other accounts, other people's phones to rewatch the playlist when you create a playlist. Okay, if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to click on this playlist here to watch more videos that can show you how to grow on YouTube. And if you like to know how to go live with 0 subscribers, this video showing down here is the one you should click. All right, see you in my next video. Bye for now.